In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot in Outlook to summarize long email threads. If you're drowning in long conversations, this will help you pull out the essentials in seconds so you can focus on what matters without reading every single reply. Start by opening Outlook and navigating to the conversation you want to understand. This works in the new Outlook, Outlook on the web, and most recent Outlook versions that include Copilot. Make sure you're looking at a true thread with multiple messages, not just a single short email, because the Summarize feature is designed for conversations. With the thread selected, look near the top of the reading pane for a button labeled Summary by Copilot or simply Summarize. Depending on your version, it may appear with the Copilot icon or as a small bar at the top of the message. When you see it, click Summarize. Copilot will scan the conversation and generate a concise overview of the key points. Your summary will appear above the thread. In many versions, you'll notice numbered citations. These are helpful jump links that take you straight to the specific message where that point was discussed. Use them to verify details quickly or to get more context without hunting through every email. What you can expect in the summary is a clean breakdown of the main ideas and core points that have been discussed so far. In many cases, Copilot will also highlight action items or decisions that were made in the thread, making it easier to identify what needs to happen next and who might be responsible. Think of it as a bird's-eye view of the conversation with quick paths back to the source when you need them. If you don't see the Summarize option, double-check that you're in a multi-message thread and that you're using a supported Outlook experience. The feature appears in the reading pane for conversations, and it may be tucked under the Copilot icon, so scan the top area carefully. Also remember, Copilot summarizes what's present in the thread, so if the conversation is extremely short, you may not see a summary at all. A good workflow is to skim the summary first, then use the citations to jump directly to the most relevant messages. This saves time and helps you respond with confidence, especially when you're catching up after being away. That's all you need to quickly summarize long email threads with Copilot in Outlook. Give it a try on your next busy conversation and let the summary guide you to the important parts fast.